Most people don't start investing, not because they don't have money, but because they're afraid. Afraid of losing money, afraid of making mistakes, afraid of doing something wrong. In this video, we're going to break down the 3 biggest fears beginners have about investing and how to think about them the right way. This is lesson number 3 in your beginner investing course, and each lesson builds on the previous one. My name is Jonathan. I've been investing for about 9 years, and I created this channel to help beginners start investing in a smarter way. And trust me, I had these same fears when I started. So let's start with fear number 1. Fear number 1, what if I lose my money? This is probably the most common fear, and it makes sense. No one wants to lose money. And the truth is, investing does involve risk. Your money can go up, but it can also go down. But here's the important part. Risk is not something to fear blindly. It's something to understand. For example, investing in one single company is riskier than spreading your money across many. This is called diversification, and we'll talk about it more in future lessons. So instead of asking, how do I avoid all risk? A better question is, how do I manage risk? Now let's move to fear number 2. Fear number 2, I don't know enough to start. This one stops a lot of people. They feel like investing is too complicated. And yes, there is a lot to learn, but you don't need to know everything to take your first steps. Think about it like this. You don't learn everything first. You learn as you go. That's exactly why this channel exists, to break things down step by step, in a simple way. When I started, I didn't understand most of these concepts. But over time, I learned, improved, and gained confidence. So don't wait to feel ready. Start learning and build your knowledge step by step. Now let's talk about fear number 3. Fear number 3, what if I make a mistake? And the honest answer is, you probably will. But mistakes are part of the learning process. Every investor makes them. I made many mistakes when I started investing. The goal is not to avoid every mistake. It's to avoid big mistakes and learn from the small ones. Over time, those lessons become your experience. So let's quickly summarize. Fear of losing money. Learn to manage risk. Fear of not knowing enough. Learn step by step. Fear of mistakes. Learn from them. Investing is not about being perfect. It's about learning, improving, and thinking long-term. If you want to keep learning, make sure to subscribe and follow the full course. Let me know in the comments, what is your biggest fear about investing? In the next lesson, we'll talk about the stock market and how it actually works. I'll see you there.